Hey, welcome back to our kitchen. What are we having today? It is Belgian chocolate cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory. Mmm. Now, normally you would thaw this out. We're gonna eat it frozen. Ha! Let's get it open and see how it looks. Alright. I'm going in. I heard it tastes really good. Mmm. 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 That does taste really good. Now, I'm guilty. I've never been to Cheesecake Factory, so I don't know if it tastes as good as at the restaurant or not. But, yeah. Give this a try, folks. I think you'll like it.
Frozen or not?
Frozen or not. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Oh, yeah, the quarter is here just for, whatchamacallit? For comparison of the size.
Yeah.
Have a good one. We'll see y'all next time. Take care.